Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Don't rush to get rid of old wooden wheels. They can be turned into expressive decoration for a garden fence. Even a small flower bed can be turned into a striking focal point in the garden. The round shape helps gather plants into a unified composition. The smooth lines of the area are continued by the wooden benches, making the entire seating area appear as a single structure. An old window can be incorporated into a garden composition in an unusual way, and logs around it will replace the traditional decorative wall. Ordinary pallets can easily be transformed into convenient garden beds. Herbs and vegetables can be placed in separate tiers. Instead of solid paving, the area can be covered with fine gravel. This surface complements the plants and wood well. This flower bed is made not from plants, but from wood. Flowers made from cut wood look especially striking against a green lawn. A grill area doesn't require a separate gazebo. A compact kitchen can be conveniently placed right next to the house. Small shelves can be built into a simple wooden screen, creating a convenient spot for potted plants. A small stream with a bridge adds interest to the garden. The water flows between the stones and gently into the pond. A cozy relaxation area doesn't require a large area. A hanging swing can be placed right on the lawn among the greenery. A retaining wall helps to beautifully enhance a site with complex terrain. There's plenty of space above for decorative plantings.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.